we're trying to link our templates to our settings.py file. And we started from this topic. We started from a templates variable name, added template to the dirs directory, showing that, saying, okay, Django, we have a folder called templates, put it here. Then app true, that means it exists. Then we now went down to link our static URL files by doing static. Now in Django, we put in our media like videos, audios inside media folder. We put in our CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap inside static. So now URL static, follow me. So static underscore root, we have base underscore root, we have base underscore dir / static. Now this is where collect static will gather static files. Oh no, sorry, please, small letter, forgive me, mistake, small letter, just small letter, lowercase static, forgive me, it's a mistake. Yeah, caps lock on, yeah. Then let's do this static files together underscore dirs. Then remember our project is called PPA, so single quotes called PPA, name of the our project. Now I want to store the static, also static. Once we run this collect static, to then create for us to gather the static folder used on our project's home directory and put it inside this Python PPA's projects around here. So going PPA / static. So I'm saying that in quotes, carry our static from the home directory and put it inside PPA's Python projects. So now let's create a static folder. Yeah, folder is this, call it static. Good. Then go to your template folder. You have this JS images, CJS images, font, CSS, but this part says I'm not using but it's about PHP video. So now hold your click on JS, control, click on images, click on fonts, CSS, paths, Control X, cut it out from there, go to your static and Control V, paste it there. They won't be in your template, will now be all in your static. You remember you move the path folder, CSS folder, fonts folder, image folder from template to inside static on your home directory. Huh? Yes, JS, CSS, image, fonts, and paths. Okay, once that is done, now this static URL is 45 CSS JS images. Let's now, are we going to use audio for our project? Audio or video? Not sure yet. Not sure. Videos for sure. Maybe for the slides, just in case. Let's define the case. Let's define our media file configuration. So something you use it for static. Just copy this static URL and static roots. Same thing from there. Copy from there. Go under this media stuff. Paste it media there, and change from static. Change the static to media. So to be media. Is to be media. Any error? Where are you? Okay. All right. Then add a message tag to it, so in case probably you made a mistake in your forms, in the code, in the feature, to show you an error. If you did the wrong input, to show you danger, which is red in Bootstrap. If it's good, it show you success, which is green. We'll add it at once for the feature purpose. So we'll upload the templates, message tags. I'll send the future. We've declared the static and the media, right? Let's now create the message tags that can show you when error message. So below your media file, give a line space, log means make sure it's my work. Then just put a comment saying message tags, right? Yes. So from Django, just those lowercase, from Django.contrib.messages import constant as messages. Then message underscore tags danger. That's all. So when it has error, it shows error there. Let's also hide our database. We will not threats. Because done with that, go back to your .env file and go to your. Let's now put our SQLite database there. Go to your settings.py file. py file. We'll go in here, lay it on. Alright, here. Good. Okay, done. So go to database, take line 78, copy it from there. Okay, let's hide it. So the engine now. Okay, let's do this. Go to your .env file. Just do a comment or doing SQL light db connection. Okay. So we'll do this. So db underscore engine, which is this. So this your engine in your SQL. Copy this engine, paste it there. But no space should be there. I like space. Next one should be db underscore name. The name of your work is database the SQL like 3. Of course, this one doesn't have any password. Leave it blank there. So db underscore user, no user is blank there. db underscore password is blank there. Leave it there. And then db underscore host, hot host, leave it blank. And db underscore port is blank. So you've done that. Back to your settings.py file. In the engine, just put in, highlight this Django.db.backend SQLite 3 out from there and put them, remove that thing and put config in parentheses, single quotes, db, name have a db.engine. db_engine should be what you put in here. Okay. Now base directory /SQL3 lights, you will remove it from there and put the config, then in parentheses db name. That is all. Let's see how to run. Let me my git bash to run. Oh, it showed me error. Let me see. Okay. Let me now refresh and see. Okay, it's working. So it works. So now it's hidden now. Yeah, you can't see what you're using. Don't know if you are using SQL, are using Postgres or MongoDB, they won't know, just see that knows. But soon we'll move from SQLite to Postgres Docker to now give our own personal username, password, host, and port. For now, should be there. Alright, that should be all for this phase. For now, is to add your requirement.txt file. the right one which we install. Let's install install Django hyphen smart select. It's good. It's very good when you're doing your forms. Select inform pillow. Pillow is good with images. I think this one is big P. Okay. So in case we want to use our projects again in the future, let's remove this version from the libraries itself. Let me just be plain. From the equals to sign, the numbers, just put them out. Just be plain like that, right? Because the future, because this version can give you issues one time in the future. Just put the version from there. Be plain like that. Like I can see a 3 dots below on that pillow and Django, meaning it's not installed yet. Now go back to your terminal, Ctrl+C to break it, and put in that your stuff. That's command, which is why is my screen? Sorry. Pip install arrow y and run. Good. It's going now. Are you stuck? What? Got it. Okay. So with that, let's now refresh and see again to show us that. Now it's gone now. Alright. So done with that. Now back to your project. Let's now go to the next one. Enter your PPA Python project folder. Go to urls.py. We'll put all our URLs we put here. URLs for URL means unified or uniform resource locator. Yeah, allocators. So come in here. Am I wrong? Correct now, right? Correct. For the good school scientist, I call it. Okay. So this part. Close some tabs. Close your tabs. Close this env file. Close this example file. Close this gitignore. Close the env. This one there was few for. Put only use command.txt commands. And close settings safe here. Let me hide your terminal for bigger wide screen size. Ctrl J to hide. Right now, URL is your default. This is where we'll link everything we do, every application shall from there. For now, let's just remember now in our settings file we declared this. It's good that you declared this static media URL. Let's now put it into our URL file. So that what our Django so able to see and show us accept CSS file, JavaScript file, accept images, and for because static always holding images. If you go to your settings, you see there static file always showing CSS, JavaScript, and images by default. Media is media's file, email, documents, PDF, MS Word, audio, video, and so on. So back to our URLs file. Now just follow me, okay? So remember we installed a library called smart select. Set we use it mainly for doing forms. So now let's now add it to your patterns. Below here, just follow me and do parts parentheses single quotes chaining / comma includes smart underscore select dot urls. Okay, includes. Now include is showing us undefined. Now let's define the includes. Now if you go, we have by default from Django contrib import admin, from Django URL import path, system import include. So then do this. So from django.config.urls.static, so import static one. Also import sorry, it's going to be small s, not select, small s, not big S. Then from django.config import settings. Now in that line 18 that has from Django.url import paths, you have paths and comma include. You have the same library package. Now it's done. Now let's now also add to it this debug. So now do this. So if settings dot debug, then URL, remember this thing we did for that day assessment, plus equals to static, this thing I'm showing here, behave yourself today, static. Now we want to link our, so if this static is existing in settings file, bring it in. So settings dot media underscore URL, then document underscore roots, settings dot media underscore roots. This one to paste it down here and change the media you see here to static. So we have media and we have static. Alright, so if settings of debug is true, settings of debug, your pattern should include static files as media, and that should be all for now. Okay, let's now add a file in our PPA's project folder. We have just we created env in PPA. Please let it be in the home directory. Move out this env example, git ignore to the home directory. It should be inside of PPA's folder. It should be like some place we have this command requirement txt, let it be there. So now we only have here, only have inits, we only have PPA, only have the static folder, bycache, init.py, asg, settings, URL, VSGI. So let's now add enough file called inside of the BPS folder. Inside here, call the file views.py. Views is the file that contains the code that shows on your browser. So views, what to show. So views, all in small letters. So small letters, lowercase views.py. Yes, let it be blank there. That's back to your URLs. Come here and below yours from Django.config import settings. Below it, just do from this dot means from your home directory, the home folder, import view that we called in here, import view. You're following through. Time is flying so fast to do. Father, have your way, have your way. Okay. Dot means importing from the current package. That since dot means okay, from this place here, instead of this PPA folder directory, import view, the name alone. So have you here now. Done this, let me know. Let's go to the next step. Probably the gradual building. Yes. Showing what? For what, which of them include? Now in your import, we have from Django.urls. You see it? Import after parts, comma, space, put include there. Okay, let's now go out. Alright, we've done that. Now we're trying to our aim is to link successfully our template to our Django so that to load it fully. You've worked on the URL.py. Let's now do a brief walk inside of the views.py we have there. Views.py we have here. Now just follow me now. So done with that. So in views now, are you through with that one? What's that? So now in views page is empty. Follow me. From Django.shortcuts import render. And that means to render it, to show it, to return, like return, render and redirect. Direct means another page. To redirect, and that's okay. We use those ones for now. Then to let's do it function. Call the function home with a parameter. Namespace requests and a title should be home. Then finish namespace and return it. Then put context. Now don't forget this function of the right now, because you always apply in every application in Django. Okay. Oh, now code is a sweetheart. Know one thing. Know the code. Copy it. It's just about understanding the code. Copy, paste, change the words. It's simple. Understand the code. Copy, paste, modify. So it's copy, understand, copy, paste, modify, test. Just as simple as that. So don't cram. Just follow me carefully and you understand. It's much small. Okay. Now context assigned to our curly brace. Let's start do a dict now dictionary. This always has key value pairs. So dicts. Remember we were able to put in this in a title now. The title, put your double zero quotes, title, colon, title. That's all. Then finish that. Return the render. Return render requests which you called in here. Requests, then now what this means, we want this our function to show the home page. So put in home.html, okay, then /context. So return the requests, the function name parameter, the template home context. This means title. So now remember, in our template, we don't have home page here. We only have index.html index. So now come and run here. Nice, run our stuff. It shows error. Run this thing here again and run. It will show us better error. Let's see how much you do, guys. Okay, power online connected. Okay, we are good. Let's run and see now. Refresh and see. So page not found. Now so let's do this two screen. Let's see two screen. Django gives us. Django is so sweet that gives you the error by itself. It gives you the way it is. Now show that page not found. Right now, you went through the URL which is have config here. It shows that you can only see admin. Admin is here. Chaining is here. The media parts, and you can see this page, this home page you saw here. You can't see it. Let's not add it to this one now. Add it to that. Let's not add. Let's now go back to our URLs and add this home. This function called home now. Now let's say below this chaining, same thing. Just do parts and put an empty quote, means it's a home page. So empty quotes, then comma, and views. Remember it's under views. Views dot home. Home is the name of the function. It's called home. It's home here. Dot home. Then comma name. Name means what we'll call it on our browser. Let's call it name assigned to home. You can put in your. Now come back here now and refresh. Let's see. Did it connect? Let me do back. Sorry, back to our. Let me do back our terminal. Show us error. You see what error showing us here? Let's Ctrl C, cut, clear this again, and do it again and see. Now it works. Now let's work and refresh. So now see what you write. What did you write? It said template don't exist because now we only have home txt here. Do you have it in your yes? Error where? What error are you showing? What error are you showing you? What error first? What's it saying? Tell me. Is it English or is it French? Say it now. What's the error? File this what? I don't understand what is file what? You can't say the file. Is it English? Is what? What do you put your code? Your code. What do you type? Now, when did the code? When did the error happen? When did it happen? Is it just now? What did you do? What did you enter? Were you in your else file, view file? What did you do? So check your work. That's called debugging. Know where what you didn't do right. What did you do right? So next time you'll do YouTube. YouTube I can watch the previous video and previous one I watched. This one is not this 2 minutes, it's always live. So next one we'll do is use YouTube, so I can always go back in your watch and see what we do before now. Is this all solved yet? Okay, come in. Oh, okay, let's just. So now, who else having errors? Who else having an error in this place? Let me know. So the OSAS. Where? Learn to always do a restart of your browser. So your terminal, Control C, put it again afresh. It's not automatic, it's a manual process. Let's see. Is it still there? Yeah, it's possible we use YouTube. So this will be small delay or something again like this. Go back to the previous video. Yeah. Let me pass manually now. Jesus. Okay, let's do that. Let's sacrifice your power student. Let's figure it out together. Okay, let's debug. In fact, show me your screen, guys. Show me your screen, guys. Show your screen to me. Let's start with Jubilee. Let's see where the error is. No, Jubilee first. Yeah, turn it off, please. Yeah, Jubilee. Show your screen, Jubilee. Okay. Let me see yours. And now switch to terminal first. Terminal. Instead of okay. Yeah, make it full screen. No, make it full screen. Increase your base screen here. Reduce your stuff. Control J again. Take it down. Get up again. Okay, left it. I'm showing you line 5. Let me see your Korea. Let me see your LP. You did admin chaining includes smart. Now yes, smart select is small s. Smart underscore select is small s. Views.home name goes home. Okay. Let me see. Okay, the error is everything. Your LPY. Let me see. Error is in you. Our LPY. Let me see what I did, man. Let's see. So we have Django contrib dot import admin We have Django.urls import path comma include Django.config.urls.static import static Django.config import settings from .import views if settings.debug urls pattern static settings.media url document underscore root settings.media_root urls patterns document equals to settings.static underscore url document underscore roots settings.static roots. Okay, go to your views. That's what the issue is. View.py. So that's what the issue is. Okay, in your views you have Django from Django.shortcuts import render redirects def home request title home okay. We have in context curly brace title return render request dot comma. Okay, it's not saying your view. Now again let's go to Control C in your terminal here again. Control C terminal. Oh, the social people scroll. Django SQLite not available. Okay, that's why. So SQLite. I go to settings of UI. Your settings of UI settings. Yeah, let's see. That's why. Just go to database. Yes, no, go up. Database. Yeah, go up. Yes. Config DB engine. DB name. Then show me your .env file. So is Django.db.backend my SQLite. You add the three first, let's see. Do Ctrl C and do again, one again. Just type Ctrl C there. Click it, type it. Ctrl C. Break this stuff. This one image. It's very funny, yeah. Around. Good, yeah. That's in there. Don't install it. Install sharp. Install. No, install it. That stuff in your VS Code. That prompt. Close that. Cancel. Yes. Alright, issue now. So that one is solved now. This one I show you is showing you the error is under. Please, yes, scroll down. Scroll down. Let me. So it's in URL line what? 20. Go there. Line 35. Chaining /chaining / include smart underscore select. They said if you want to add a comma, okay, the comma is there. The comma is there. What's the issue? Okay, the home. Add comma to the home. Yes. Yes. Let's see if it should load. Okay. So sorry, chaining CHAINING includes with your mouse, yeah. Smart underscore select or TRLS parts. That part is not. Yeah. Okay. See here. Run. Stop your. Break it down again. Control C. It's not seeing it very well. What did we not do right here? Views dot home name equals home. Okay. Again. Control run server again. It's not seeing that in there. Even the import view is not seeing that thing there. Even the include is not seeing the include there. Turn on the right. See, close that your bycache. Close it in your yeah, turn it to the left, the arrow pointing down. Yes. Let me see. Views.py, VIEWS. Why is it not seeing that views.py in your file? Okay. Let's come back to you. Let's also let me see your screen. Show me your screen. Yeah, share your screen. Let me see your screen. Again, I think really that's erase that 26. Just put it again. The from import views. Put it again. Like move that one. Put it again. From imports. From dot import views. Yes, the round go down again to the right one, so I will guide you through what to go. No, just continue that. No, remove that chain from there. It's empty. So it's an empty quotes. Yes. Comma. Space. Views dot home. Yes. Comma. Space. Name is assigned to the single quote home. With small h-o-m. Go back to your view. Let me see. Go back to your LS. Let me see your settings of UI. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll up. Let's see. We did the set together. This way you have that install apps. Install apps. Scroll up, yeah. So you're going up, go up. 9 minutes more. Okay, wow. Okay, don't worry, we'll come back to you. Not there. Don't worry. Okay. Start please. Your screen. Let me see your screen first of all. Let me see your screen. We are 6 on this screen. Okay, that's why. Yeah, what's that? Share your screen. Okay, let me see your. Scroll down, terminal. Scroll down. Terminal. Let me see what is. That's the last line. Scroll. No module. No module name PPA URL S. URLS. That means they deleted your own. See, you move your URLS to the home page. See your sidebar. So that requirement should be inside of the PPA. That should be inside setting the PY. So move it from there. Drag it to set PPA. Leave your hand. Thank you. Let me see. Yes, again, yeah. Fresh. So like dots. You put 2 dots. That's why. From line 21. You see that? Okay. Again. Cancel that and see again. Has it hooked? Okay, oh sorry, from cannot import name view dot from PPA. Why? Go to, let me see the name. You call it. Okay, I don't think you have any issue with them. You won't even show itself. So views dot home, comma name home. Go to your views of UI. Views dot py. Let me see it. Yes. Def home. Title title. From Django shortcut import render command redirect def home request title home context title colon title return render requests. Yeah, try changing your double quotes to single quotes. In the whole HTML, yes, with single quotes. Let's see. Single, yeah. From the title, use single quote, let's single quote, yeah. Cannot import views via AW from PPA. Why? Okay. When the def is not showing well, your def is not showing too well. Def home requests colon title home context. Okay, now yeah, so now do again. Refresh and do, let me see. Cannot import from. Okay, so what's really the issue right now? Are you showing there? Is it there? That's why now. That's why. That's why. Yours to you or yours to yours to. That's why. Thank you. I put him up there. Yes, where you have your LS. Okay, let's see. So they are, yeah, refresh and see. show you HTTP error not found. Open your browser. Okay, it's yours fixed now. Jubilee on now. Let's see Jubilee on again. The clearer eye. My time is up already. 2 minutes more. It's already funny. Show me now, your brother. Change the tab. I'm saying change the tab. Correct. It's working now. That means you cannot say that it's working now, right? It's working now. Frank, you want working too? I think you have. It's okay.